Why, it's our friend the Opila bird. And look, an egg! Wow, it already hatched! Congratulations, it's a doll. Let's get that goop out of your hair. A little cover-up won't hurt. And there's plenty of clay where that came from. Why don't you slip into these? Some pink will add the right touch. And googly eyes. Okay, now I'm starting to see the family resemblance. So, you need a hand? Ugh, let's pop that pimple.
Ew, yuck.
And it looks like we're just getting started. Ah, much better. Really gotta hand it to you. Aw, poor BanBan's got a toothache. Don't worry. Maybe it's just something you ate. Seems like it, judging by that smell. Let's drain it and remove these spiders. Still, it's nice seeing you eat your greens. This'll help us take a closer look. Huh, one of these teeth is not like the other. Looks like we need to get you a new one. Good thing she's got a spare. And it's an emerald. We don't want that gem feeling lonely, do we? Here, try out your new chompers. What a mess! Nothing a makeover can't fix. Careful, that hair doesn't grow back. And try not to waste that paste. Excuse us, can you spare a roll? Toilet paper? Are we making a mummy? Well, either way, wrap her up. Huh, those horns look kind of familiar. Let's just add a coat of paint, a smile, and some googly eyes. Wait, I'd know that pink bow anywhere. It's Banbaleena! Wake up, the Nano-tape is here. Take a piece. We can blow it up nice and big. Oh, hold on. You need a tissue? Anyway, these'll make great tentacles for our pal Stinger Flynn. And look, we've got a whole aquarium's worth. Come on, Jumbo Josh, work those muscles. No pain, no gain. Okay, hit the showers. Or better yet, why not have a soothing milk bath? This unicorn will help set the mood. Step right in, the milk is fine. Now let's give your face a good wash. A good scrubbing should help too. Grab a loofah and we're almost done. Well, with the bath. Now it's facial time. Silly NabNab, what are you doing in there? Oh, you've got something in your eye.
Ew,
Don't worry,
yuck.
we'll make you a new one. Roll into a ball. Add a pupil. And we're done. And I'm sure you've got teeth to spare. Is everyone ready for a new adventure? Okay, we need to rethink this. A vacuum bag.
Wow.
This'll help us make the most of the space we've got. Just suck up all that excess air. See? Now we don't need another suitcase. After all, she needs to carry light. Aw, an egg. And it's ready to hatch. Happy birthday! Oh, is anyone home?
Oh.
Aluminum foil? Don't worry. Newborns just need a little cleaning up. Just add a beak, some legs, and it's a baby Opila bird. Come on, let's meet the whole family. Ooh, that squishy's really blowing up. Wait, I think that's too much air. Ew. Where's a wet wipe when you need one? Silly unicorn. I wonder what's inside you. Why, it's BanBan! Double the horns, double the fun. This bathroom's way too cheery. I mean, look, the toilet's filled with toys. You know, BanBan here could use a checkup. Worms? Well, as BanBan says, sharing is caring. We're almost done cleaning you up. Now we can operate. Let's fix this arm. Talk about witches and stitches. Ooh, slime. Let's save that for later. Let's take a look inside, shall we? Is that more worms? Hope Wednesday saved room for dessert. Here, have a new heart, Tin Man. Okay, we just need to stitch you back up. And a Band-Aid wouldn't hurt either, but you might feel a slight shock. Clear! Watch your step. So much for omelets. Uh-oh, Opila bird. Was that her egg? I'd get out of here if I were you. Maybe we can find some new eggs for her. This BanBan could use a little pimple popping. Make that a lot. Look, they're all different colors deep down. It's kind of like a fun guessing game. Easter came early this year. A locker full of snakes? Nah, nothing strange here. Spiders? Teeth? Eyeballs? Yeah, seems about right. Okay, now things are starting to get scary. Of course, true beauty is on the inside. So let's see what makes him tick. Well, slime is a good start. Another egg. We're on a roll. Think we'll find more? That was quick. Ooh, a pink egg. So close, yet so far. We need help, like this grabber toy. Time to go on an egg hunt. This should please that Opila bird. And just in time. Look who's here. Told you she liked eggs. Raw, too, by the looks of it. Ooh, I think she wants to repay you. Why, it's an egg she laid herself. Ooh, it looks like it's ready to hatch. Wow, time sure does move fast. It looks like a security card. Might as well try it out. So bright, so colorful. We're gonna need some sunglasses. I think something's under those boxes. Why, look, it's Chef Pigstar. I guess she wants a closer look again. Is anyone else here getting deja vu? Ooh, it looks like there's some prizes inside. Like this rubber ducky. Save it for bath time. That sure is a lot of pink, inside and out. So that's where he keeps his brain. Ooh, a pop tube. Must be the intestine. Now that's one large intestine. What else is inside? A picture of a piece of candy? What could it mean? Wait a minute. The boxes. They're like a puzzle. Arrange them like in the picture to make a candy. Okay, something's starting to happen. That box. Is there anything inside? Was kind of hoping for candy, but let's try it out. Here, BanBan, let's wet your whistle. Oh, sorry, I guess this room's occupied. Wow, there are cobwebs all over this place. Add a few more, and it's just like home. Come to think of it, there's a lot of nice stuff in here. Wrap the pop tube up in aluminum foil. That's just the start. We'll need a lot more foil. And it'd be a shame to let all this blue stuff go to waste. Well, that's one way to make a mussel. Now we need to make a hole in the middle. Talk about a big mouth. It'll need some teeth. And a long pink tongue. Now make some holes for the eyes. All three of them. And a nice big hat. Look at that. It's NabNab! What the? Ah, it's an earthquake! Quick, take cover! Oh, happy birthday, BanBan. Let's find Wednesday. There she is. Why don't you come out and say hello? Someone sure likes to make an entrance. Aw, wait. What's going on? Things are getting dark, and not the fun kind. What the? Where'd these ropes come from? I think he wants a captive audience for his next science experiment. Hi, Mr. Alien. Time to meet Mr. and Ms. Mortar and Pestle. We just need a few more ingredients. It's just right for our Banbaleena doll. Now we just need our secret ingredient. We're almost done. BanBan just needs a volunteer. Okay, you might feel a slight pinch. Wow, she looks like a bride of BanBan Banbaleena. That's one way to save on a wedding dress. Oh, I don't think that rings candy. Still, a Wednesday without black clothes or pigtails just isn't Wednesday. You know, if you wanted to play dress up, you could have just asked. What'll happen next? Catch you next time.